Well, I'm back in Phoenix. The trip to my brother's place in North Carolina went well. Traveled about 4,800 and some odd miles round trip to and from. The rig got 7 miles to the gallon, and took me 7 days to get there, 7 days to get back, and I spent 7 days there. And then I stopped off in Texas on the way back and visited with friends. So it was a good trip. Spunky traveled well and had a ball with Brother Greg's little dogs, and got to run free. No fences, no leash, no nothing, because there's plenty of land around Greg's house for him to play in. So the dogs just had a ball. So we're back in Phoenix, and I'm out in the garage. This is the only bike here. The Green Goddess, still here since before I left. It's been sitting for the time I was left, and probably a week or so before. I don't even remember when we last started it. So this is going to be a really, really, really cold start. So I'm going to lower it down and check the battery, make sure we have electrons, and then see if I can get it started. All right, bike is down, petcocks are open. I'll turn on the ignition. I've checked the light. You got a good headlight, so theoretically we've got a good battery. Last time we ran it, it smoked from the right cylinder, I believe. I don't think it fixed itself any while it was gone. So let's see if it blows smoke from the right cylinder. Let's see if it starts, because this is going to be what you call a really cold start. that's not bad. What was that, 3 kicks? 2 kicks on the startup. The slide is sticking. It's been sitting long enough for the varnish to stick a little bit in there. So I will pull the top off the carburetor and clean the slide. But darn, that's great. Okay, I'm happy as a clam with that. All right, I popped the top off the carburetor and pulled the slide out. It had a little bit of a gumminess on it from having sat for so long. I cleaned it with carburetor cleaner and I sprayed the throat of the carburetor, slipped it all back together, and I've got good snap now. So as soon as it reaches the bottom of that goes down, I'm going to start it again and make sure that the throttle follows the throttle the way it should, and it idles nicely. So let's see what happens when I go over there and start it again. All right, petcock's on. Electrons on. Let's turn the choke on. Oh, choke was on. Well, choke. Where's the choke? There's a choke here somewhere. I know there's a choke under there somewhere. There you go. Choke is now off. Gas is on. Electrons are on. A few more kicks and see what happens. Don't you know? It's not even trying. What could I have done? Carbs back in place. Good snap. Reverse. Good light. I do love these motorcycles. Ah, switch didn't feel right, but I had lights. Well, all right. Don't know how that could be a problem. All right. It wasn't the switch because I had headlight, and the switch is strictly on off. So, I don't know. Just a Norton being perverse. They do that, you know. They tease you, play with you, mess with you, start on the first kick, start on the 10th kick. What can you say? Sounds really, really good. It's idly nice. Okay, we're going to call her good.